Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. Hope you all enjoyed your long weekend. So at the moment, we are pretty much top, or heading to the top of the channel at the moment, and from my point of view, this is the area to pay attention to, 44.22. If you start moving down through the time frames, you'll see a pretty tight channel. There's nothing really else into it. We are zigzagging in this channel. We need to get above structure. So the first area for me is obviously this area here at 44.22, which would break the channel. So move up, test the 155, reject off that, that's 44.55, and build a base down here at 44.20. Should that happen on the 3 hour, then that will start giving me signals that we are about to break this channel to the upside. At the moment, yesterday, public holiday, most places around the world, so pretty much a typical day, big up, big down, big confusion, nothing going on. So yeah, for me, that's kind of the view at the moment. We could also just fine-tune that a little bit. So if we do reject this area, then I would expect to move to the downside. So for all intents and purposes, on the 1 hour, we are below the 155 EMA. We are in amongst the moving averages here, so you'd probably be able to look on the 15-minute for some kind of a rejection off structure to the left here. So obviously this swing low here where we are now is offering a lot right now, and that is at 44.11. But I think it's you're probably going to tag this area rather 44.22. If we reject this area, then I would expect another move to the downside. But at the moment, we're sideways. There's nothing really here. We're going to have to wait for Europe and possibly a US Open today. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment, just sitting on the sides until something happens. If we do start breaking below, if you look to the left, you can see there's quite a bit of structure here. So we'd have to start breaking below 43.91 for me to be looking at shorts again. So at the moment, that is possible, but we're in amongst moving averages here, so nothing really going on. And if you look at what's happened over the last couple of days, above and below the moving averages, so looking a little bit shaky, should I say. Bear in mind, we've got earnings that kicked off last week, so earnings season is in full swing now. So anything can happen right now. Lots of noise with coming out of Russia as well. So those are the two levels for me to watch. Break to the upside, 44.22, and break the downside, 43.91. I'd look for a retest of both before jumping in on the trade to either side. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.